Welcome to the Flowchart app. There's a couple different options for subcontractors. You can either assign individual work orders to subcontractors, or you can assign entire routes to subcontractors. A subcontractor can either download the app and log into a sub account where they can only see routes or work orders that are assigned to them, or you can send any subcontractor a link to view all the work orders assigned to them through their browser without downloading the app. So as an example, we'll assign a set of filter cleans to a subcontractor. So for that, we'll go to the filter clean list. And then you simply click on each filter clean and assign each one. And then to send them the link to view the work orders, you go to the Tech tab, and then you just click Copy Link next to their name. And then you can paste that into a text and send it to them. So as an example, we'll just simply go to the web browser, and I'll paste that link into the web browser. So at the top here, we have the subcontractor's name, the pool company's name, and then a list of all the work orders assigned to them. They can click here to view any account pictures for repair jobs. And down at the bottom, they can click this link to view all completed work orders. At the top here, you can click the View Address Map. It's easier to view the map when the phone's in portrait mode, so you can just rotate the phone and then you have a larger view. And then back to the app. If you want to assign an entire route to a subcontractor, there's two settings for that. First, you have to go to the Tech section, and then you have to click here, Enable Assign Routes to Technicians. Once that's enabled, then you can go to the Route utility, and then for each route, you can assign a subcontractor. So Route 2 is now assigned to Luke, and then you click Save. You can also move accounts to a new route for a subcontractor by simply clicking the Route ID field on the right-hand column. So for example, let's say we want to move the first 6 stops on Route 1 to a new Route 5. We just click the Route ID field, type 5. And then at the bottom here, we have a new Route 5. And then we can assign it to a subcontractor. To change the order of the accounts on this new route, you click the Order column. For example, if you want to move this customer to the first stop, click here and then just type 1. So after you enter a new value, it automatically reorders the route. And then you just click Save. And then back on our route list, we have Route 5 at the bottom here, assigned to Luke. So then Luke can download the app, and when he logs in, all he'll see is Route 5 and Route 2. A side note here is this work order has the subcontractor's name listed under it because that work order was specifically assigned to that subcontractor before we assign the whole route to the subcontractor. In the subcontractor accounts, there's no access to administrative features or the invoice history. They can only manage work orders on the routes assigned to them and make chemistry and picture log entries. To view or change the subcontractor's password for logging into the app, you go to the bottom menu and click the technician button. And then you click their name and it displays their password. You can edit their name, and this is the account ID. You can also make subcontractor accounts inactive by clicking here. And you can click this button to display the inactive accounts in the subcontractor list. And you can click the new button to add a new subcontractor account. If you have any questions or would like to start using the Flowchart app, you can visit our website at flowchartpool.com.